Okay, before the video starts, I just want to say that this video is in no way shading James Charles. I just thought it'd be funny because I don't know what to post as my first video. Okay, I don't know. I just thought it'd be funny. Okay, bye. Anyway. Hello. For my first video, I thought that I would try to recreate a James Charles palette look because that's all the hype nowadays. Except, one problem, I don't have the James Charles palette. So the thing that I thought of was recreating the look with this palette that I got from Five Below when I was in 6th grade, because it has a lot of colors in it, and I was like, that would be perfect. Let's see how tragic this ends up. So I have this palette from Five Below. It's got great choice of colors. That's not focusing. I know how to be a beauty guru. There we go. Great choice of colors. Really great. They're all shimmers, so that's the downside. We won't get that good contrast, but we're gonna make it work. So I went to James Charles' YouTube channel and picked out a look. I'm gonna go with this look, I think. Blue might be the best choice. Then I'm gonna take this light blue, like in the corner here. Really don't want to dirty these brushes with these colors. I'm also kind of scared what's gonna happen to my eye. So I'm gonna take this color, I think, and just kind of go like everywhere with it, because it seems like he had like a lighter blue like all over and then like deepened it up with the darker blues. Yeah, so I'm just gonna try and see how that goes. Ooh. Ooh, we love that. Oh my god. It's so shimmery. Oh my god. What did I just... Wow, that makes me look crazy. What did I just sign myself up for? Oh my god. Wow. Okay, you know what I look like right now? Those girls in like middle school who would show up with like eyeshadow, but they've never used eyeshadow before in their life. I was also one of these girls, except with pink, and I would just put pink all over my eyelids. Don't know who let me do that. Don't know who let me out of the house like that, but that happened. But yeah, that's what I feel like I look like right now, like those girls who didn't know how to do their eyeshadow. So now I'm gonna take this blue down here and maybe like deepen up the crease. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. My god. I feel like it's like not even catching. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna take the darkest blue that's like, hold on, like right here. Like I'm gonna try to kind of flick it, maybe make that like winged effect like James Charles has in that picture. Oh yeah. Wow. so tragic. I'm scared for the next part because I don't even know how to save this. Like this looks so bad. So I know that he has a glitter base like here. So I think I'm gonna take some concealer and like make a cut crease and then move on from there and like add some blue glitter to like my base. I don't know, let's find out. Okay, that's as good as it's gonna get, I think. Jim Charles, please don't come for me. Oh my god. Oh, he doesn't get mad. Now I'm just gonna try to like put some on my finger maybe and like dab it onto my lid. Okay, so it looks like he has like a light blue. So I think I'm gonna go with like this color here. I just dab it on my finger and then dab it on my lid. Oh, these are like really soft. It kind of feels like chalk, to be honest. Okay, that literally did nothing. We're gonna keep going. Okay, that also did nothing. This is so bad. Okay, I'm gonna try to take this really dark blue here and see if this does anything. I'm gonna try to like just deepen up that crease even more. Alright, we're making this work. We're making this work. Okay. This is doing things. This is saving the day, I think. This color. Where were you this whole time? Right here on my palette. So he has blue underneath here and here. So I think I'm gonna try to do that. I think I'm gonna take this brush. I don't even know what this brush is used for. Whatever. Okay, so I don't even know what this kind of little brush is used for, but I'm just gonna use it for like underneath. Let's see, what color does he use underneath his eyelid? Okay, so he has that dark blue, so I'm gonna do that dark blue underneath. But first I'm gonna go in with the light blue first. Oh my god, the fallout with these is actually insane. It's like all over my pants. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with that dark blue to connect, like dark on the top and dark on the bottom. See if this does anything. Probably not, because it hasn't done anything so far. Okay, this is maybe if I'm far away, maybe it looks okay. Maybe. I don't know. This looks kind of bad. Like, not good and fresh, that's for sure. Sorry, Jim Charles. I can't tell if he has eyeliner. I think he does, so I'm gonna do like a winged eyeliner over top everything. I doubt it's even gonna show up because this is such a powdery shadow, like because it's so cheap, it's so powdery and glittery. It's probably not even gonna like show up very well, but I don't know. we're just gonna keep going. Let's see what happens. It's like so faded. So bad. This eyeliner kind of saved the look. I said that about the blue eyeshadow too, and then I ruined it. So, but I think the eyeliner looks pretty good. Kind of feel like a frozen princess. Princess. So I'm gonna put some mascara on my lashes, and we're gonna apply some fake eyelashes, which I've never done before. So it's gonna add to this look. There's so much blue glitter and just chalk dust on my lashes. That was the hardest thing I've ever had to do, was put on that mascara, because it was just all clumping together. Okay, so now I'm gonna take these false lashes. I don't even know where they're from. Maybe I should go for some really dramatic ones, because there's like all these different kinds. Oh my god. I literally can't do eyelashes. Like, how the hell? Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna go for it. Alright, let's try this. Nope. My god. I'm so close. Did I just kind of, nope. I was gonna say, did I just kind of do it? No. No, I didn't. Hello? So I'm gonna hurry up and do the next one because, yikes. Okay. Eyelash glue on here. Oh my god, lashes are so much work. Oh my god, this is why I never do them. I bet when you put them on good though, like they actually look good. I can't. Like I don't know why. I physically cannot put them on. Like I'm pretty sure this one's not even on right, but oh my god. That looks so bad. Look how wonky that is. That is so... No. Oh yeah. Wow. So good. Okay. I'm done. I never said I was good. I never said this was gonna be good. So I think this is as good as it's gonna get. Yeah. I think this is the look, guys. This is the final look. Wow. Oh my god. This video is over.